Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Real English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 5 students. My dear students, our today's topic is chapter 2 discussion. Our today's topic chapter 2 discussion. Today's lecture number 5 and SW number also 5. My dear students, let's start our class. This is chapter 2, environmental pollution. The chapter name is environmental pollution. We use environment in various ways to survive. As a result, different changes occurred in the environment. When the changes are harmful to living things, we call it environmental pollution. So, environmental pollution is the addition of harmful or poisonous substances to the environment. My dear students, this is important line. Underline these two lines. Okay, when the changes are harmful to living things, we call it environmental pollution, and environmental pollution is the addition of harmful or poisonous substances into the environment. So learn this question answer also. This question answer. This one is a short question answer. Now go to next page. One of the great problems that the world is facing today is environmental pollution. Causes and sources of environmental pollution. Industrialization is one of the main causes of pollution. My dear students, this is important. Fill in the blanks. Underline this one also. Industrialization is one of the main causes of pollution. Industrialization set in motion the widespread use of fossil fuels such as oil, gas and coal. These are now the main sources of pollution. Population growth is also the fundamental cause of pollution. My dear students, underline also this line. Population growth is also the fundamental cause of pollution. To meet their need, such as food, shelter or natural resources, people are destroying environment. Human activity causes most of the environmental pollution. My dear students, underline also the last line. Human activity is causes most of the environmental pollution. Now come to next topic, effects of environmental pollution. Effects of environmental pollution. Pollution is causing a lot of damage to human, animal and the environment. Pollution causes different diseases such as cancer, respiratory diseases, waterborne diseases and skin problems. Okay, my dear students, underline also this line. Pollution causes different diseases such as cancer, respiratory diseases, waterborne diseases and skin problems. Effects of pollution on animals are the destruction of their habitats and food chains. As a result, many animals get extinct. Average temperature of the earth is also increasing. My dear students, underline this one. This one is important. Fill in the blanks. Okay, average temperature of the earth is also increasing. Many glaciers continue to melt and results is sea level rise. Here given the picture, global warming causes melting of glaciers. Okay, these are the effects of environmental pollution. Now go to next page. Types of environmental pollution. There are different types of pollution, namely air, water, soil and noise pollution. Number 1, air pollution. Air pollution is the addition of harmful gases, dust particles, smoke or odor into the air. My dear students, underline also this one. Air pollution is the addition of harmful gases, dust particles, smoke or odor into the air. Smoke emitted from vehicles and industries is one of the main causes of air pollution. My dear students, this is important. Fill in the blanks and short question answer. Smoke emitted from burning wood and garbage also cause air pollution. Throwing garbage or urinating anywhere causes the fuel or odor in the air. Air pollution can have negative effects on the environment such as global warming and acid rain. It can also make people sick with lung cancer, respiratory diseases, etc. My dear students, this full para is very important for question answer and fill in the blanks. So you have to learn properly all these lines. Okay. Now come to next topic, water. Next pollution, water pollution. Water pollution is the addition of harmful things to water. Underline this one, important, fill in the blanks. Okay, water pollution is the addition of harmful things to water. Water pollution is caused by harmful things from sewage, wastewater from household or factories. Besides disposal of garbage and waste into water, washing and clothes in ponds or rivers cause water pollution. Okay, my dear students, so this is the causes of air pollution. What are the causes of air pollution? We can learn this question answer from here. Okay, then water pollution can cause death of aquatic animals and disruption of food chain in water. This is also important, fill in the blanks. Okay, then human is also affected by skin disease and waterborne diseases like diarrhea and cholera. So we have learned that diarrhea and cholera are the waterborne diseases. Now go to next page, soil pollution. Soil pollution is the contamination of soil with harmful things. Underline also this line, soil pollution is the contamination of soil with harmful things. Soil contamination is caused by the uses of pesticides and fertilizers in agriculture. Waste disposal from household and hospital, and leakage of chemicals or oils from factories. Effects of soil pollution are decreased soil fertility, death of plants and animals, and destruction of their habitats. So my dear students, this is a short question answer. What are the effects of soil pollution? We can learn this question answer from here. Effects of soil pollution are decreased soil fertility, death of plant and animals, and destruction of their habitats. Soil pollution has negative effects on human health too. People may get sick with various diseases including cancer by taking those foods grown in polluted soil. So my dear students, here also another question answer. What are the negative effects of soil pollution? Now come to next topic, noise pollution. Noise pollution is sound in the environment that harms the health of human or animal life. People causing noise pollution by unnecessary use of horns, playing songs in high volume, and use of loud speakers or mics. By machinery in industries also causes noise pollution. So my dear students, this is a short question answer. What are the causes of noise pollution? Okay, we can learn this question answer from here. People causing noise pollution by unnecessary use of horns, playing songs in high volumes, and use of loudspeakers or mics. Using big machinery in industries also causes noise pollution. Noise pollution has severe mental and physical effects on human health. Depression, hearing loss, sleep disruption, and loss of productivity are caused by noise pollution. My dear students, this is an important short question answer. What are the negative effects of noise pollution? Okay, we can prevent noise pollution by stopping the frequent use of horns and turning the volume down. Okay, this is also another short question answer. How can we prevent noise pollution? Now go to next page, conservation of our environment. Environmental conservation is the sustainable and wise use and protection of natural environment. My dear students, underline this one. This is a short question answer. What is environmental conservation? Environmental conservation is the sustainable and wise use and protection of natural environment. Now we'll discuss about how can we help conserve the environment. By reducing the use of electricity or fossil fuel, we can help to conserve the environment. Turning off the lights after finishing the work, walking or riding a bicycle instead of using a car can help preserve natural resources. Okay, so this is also important question answer. How can we help the conserve the environment? Okay, by reducing the use of electricity or fossil fuel, we can help conserve the environment. Turning off the lights after finishing the work, walking or riding a bicycle instead of using car can also preserve natural resources. Now following 3 R's like reducing the use of natural resources, reusing or recycling, we can help conserve nature. My dear students, this is also another question answer. What are 3 R's? 3 R's means reducing the use of natural resources, reusing or recycling, we can help conserve nature. Oils, chemicals and industrial garbage should go through treatment before throwing off into the environment. We should not throw trash into the rivers and lakes or on land. Dumping garbage in the dustbin and planting trees are good practices to keep our environment clean. Raising public awareness is one of the best ways to conserve our environment. So my dear students, last line underline, this is important, fill in the blanks, and this one is also a question answer. Here, how can we prevent environmental pollution? How can we prevent environmental pollution? Okay, my dear students, now your today's SW number is 5, and make 5 fill in the blanks from this chapter. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Practice properly this chapter and make 5 and fill in the blanks from this chapter. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.